Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach first poem of class 12th, My Mother at 66, written by Kamla Das. Students, before starting the poem, we read the beginning of this poem. The poet is saying, aging is a natural process. Have you ever thought what our elderly parents expect from us? Students, in this poem, the poet has emphasized on the natural process of becoming old. Students, this is a natural process. A person who gets birth in this world, one day he or she has to get old and has to die also. So we can say that this is a natural process. Students, through this poem, the poet Kamla Das has raised a question towards us. That is, have we ever thought what our elderly parents expect from us? Have we ever thought? Because they are old, we are young. Have we ever observed what need our parents face? What problem our parents face? Students, this question has been raised by the poet here. I hope the beginning will help you out in understanding this poem. Okay, students. So we can say that somewhere the poet has written this poem for the elder parents, and for us also, so that we can realize our responsibility. Students, let's start the poem. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doors open mouthed, her face a scene like that of a corpse. Students, the poet Kamla Das visited her parents' home. The poet Kamla Das visited her parents' home, and ultimately on Friday morning she was returning. She was going to Cochin airport by car. That time her mother was also sitting beside her. When she noticed her mother, she found that her mother was sleeping, her mouth was open, and her face was pale, and we can say lifeless, like a dead body. So students, what the poet is saying, the poet Kamla Das visited her parents' home on last Friday morning. She was returning, and she was going to Cochin airport by car. That time her mother was also with her, and when poet saw her mother, noticed her mother, she saw her mother was sleeping, her mouth was open, and her face was pale, or we can say lifeless, like a dead body, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. After observing the facial feature of her mother, the poet Kamla Das realized painfully that her mother had become as old as she was looking. She had become so old as she was looking, and Kamla Das realized it painfully. It means, students, it was very hard for the poet to accept this truth that her mother had become an old lady. Then, to divert her mind, the poet from to divert her mind from these thoughts, the poet looked outside the car. She looked at the trees which were planted on the roadside were returning backward, because it is a simple, because the car was moving ahead, therefore the trees were running back, and the happy children were also coming out their homes for playing, for enjoying. So here the poet has discussed that to divert her mind from these kinds of thoughts, she started to look out of the car. She saw the trees were sprinting back, and the children were coming out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her when pale as a late winter's moon. Students, for some time, Kamala Das did not think about her mother because she was looking out of the car. But after reaching the airport and passing through the security check, she again looked back at her mother, who was standing a few yards away. Okay, after reaching airport and passing through the security check, she again looked back at her mother, who was standing a few yards away. She again noticed that her mother was looking dull and lifeless, same as a late winter's moon. Students, late winter moon isn't seen clearly because of fog. So she was also not looking. She was also not looking fresh and healthy. It means somewhere her facial expression, her facial color got dull. The last stanza, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. Students, in this last stanza, the poet is saying that after seeing her mother, she felt old familiar pain, her childhood fear. She was thinking whether she would be able to see her mother when she would come back or not. What she was feeling? She was feeling her old familiar pain, her childhood fear. She was thinking whether when she would be able to see her mother when she would come back or not. So she tried to hide her emotions behind her smile and did not show her real feeling. She gave hope to her mother to meet again soon, and did smile, smile, and smile. So at last, even after observing the facial feature and after being sure that her mother had become old and very very old, and she was also doubtful in herself whether she would be able to see her back when see her again or not, she hid her expression, her emotions behind the smile, and only she gave her hope to meet again, and she smiled and smiled. Okay students, now the poem has been completed and I hope you have understood this poem. Okay, thank you.